Oruth w'abaruru Obimu Philipo Rahun Orakel wa kashatu atayayire omushikirwa w'obukama bwa bunyoro wabinjirwe nyuma ho andoro kirungi bya kutaga hamwe n'abana b'obukama bandi abireho no kutera amakondere n'engoma kandi ubwanyimanukwe Oruth okugambaho n'abaruru abari kutura mu bunyoro
nitusima enkoragana nungi enyakuri hagati y'obukama bwa baruru n'obukama bwa bunyoro kandi nitusaba ngu kino kina kugenda maiso nuko turole ngu enkoragana rundi relationship obukwataine ubwina kwikara hagati y'obukama bwa baruru kandi obukama bwa banyoro.
Have history that goes back all the way to the 16th century. A lot of people have lived in peace and harmony with the Banyoro people.
So inyo abasayija abali mbunyoro hano muleke kutina bakaza barungu bakamba tuli bakambwe the approach runde nkwata runde emyehondeze kugagamba muntu wa muyikianka nike kikuru muno
ogu kwahereze yatwarwa mu kikari cy'omukama Dr. Solomon iguru gukubanza okuganira
angize mwebingwa hagiza ankia nungi singa rwasatto winyiga fwabusa mujikuru kwa bareka
itwe nk'obukama bwa bunyoro obukama obukuru obwireke kurorwaho mu Uganda yona kirungi muno kurora abakama bani bayija nabo cyo inkoraga nege tukugetaga munne nkoraga nenungi hagati obukama wona n'obukama bwaitu.
Oruth Orakel wa kashatu nashaba baruro kwejunusa obusinge na nitaka rungi rya bunyoro okuhinga bakatunguka.
There is obviously the culture, I don't know if you wanted the cultural tradition of blessings, then you may have to come to Kaldirawara, the big palace in Atiaka.
Abakama abandi mukama bundi bakira kugaruka bunyoro hano abukukama bwangiro obutwara muri bukuru haihi buri waisenku ubo nabekyo bayjo maboneka kabumba basobora kumusaba umugisa basanga umusaba cyone kibagonza
bamwe mu baruru borekera kushemererwa ahabwo kureba hamugabe wabo
abakuru baitu bakateka mu ekitiniso obukama bwakabalega abandi bakayijana nkabarusura mukama kabaleta hano bayija bamuyamba wakabana rwanisa abanyanzi gw'abajungu.
We didn't expect such occasion to happen. It is a show relationship and it's good because I am happy and I thank our kingdom.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.